Nyereka Tech family. This is Shadrach from Nyereka Tech. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to one of our most particular module for IoT and automation project, the GSM SIM800L control sheet with mini bread for Arduino Uno. Guys, are you ready? Why we built this module? We discovered that many of our clients, especially Rwandan students, teachers, and tech hobbyists, were struggling to use the GSM SIM800L. The common problems they are facing including difficulties sending and receiving SMS message by using this particular SIM800L module. They are also struggling to get stable network connectivity with that module and also to set or regulate the proper powering of this module, which require to be very specific voltage from 3.7 volt to 4.1 volt. So that's the reason why Nyereka Tech team we designed a plug and play shield module that can resolve all those issues. Our shield is built with different material. First of all, we put slot for that GSM SIM800L in our module and also has the way to support the antenna. We also add the relay module who want to do the automation project. And also at the top of our module, there is mini breadboard that can be used to add other sensors for any particular project on the board. And also it have 12 volt power supply that can help you to power any kind of electronic sensor module you want that's using either 12 voltage or less than 12 volt. And also at our board, there are some footprint others on Arduino Uno. That means more messing, wiring, or there's no more confusion. Just what we need, plug, code, and build. So our tutorial, what we need to complete our tutorial, we are going to do demo of our new GSM SIM800 module to control the AC lamp using SMS command. Here there are 4 lists of material we're going to use. First of all, we must have Arduino Uno board. We have GSM SIM800 shield module plus antenna. We also have jumper wires to make connection. We also have a SIM card with balance. We also have USB cable for Arduino, and you have 12 voltage power supply with up to 2 ampere. Please note these things. If you are new, please noting that when working with 220 volt AC, be careful please. Ask for guidance from someone experiencing to work with this power supply of AC. We are going to play through around 3 steps. So if you have all the material, if you are ready, please let's enjoy this amazing board. Let's start with first step, setting up the hardware. I show you all the material we need. So first of all, I plug USB cable to your Arduino, and then take your shield and put up your Arduino Uno at the top. As you can see, this is our board, and then gonna plug our board to Arduino and then make it as one. As I said, as I talked, this is Arduino shield module. It must be at the top of Arduino. And also, we need to add the GSM module in its slot of our shield. Please note that this is the antenna we used for this GSM module. We use the simple antenna comes with this module, but you can change GSM antenna in order to increase the network reception. This is the breadboard. Here we have a LDR indicator. We put this red indicator to show you when you put the SIM card into GSM module. Sometimes there's some person they can call you or you can send a message to know if your GSM received your message. We put this red to show you your message was received by GSM. And also when someone try to call you while your SIM card is inserted in the GSM module, it can blink to show you their calling or their message receiving in our SIM card. This is red that can do those things. We call the LED indicator. This is the relay and also the sum of the digital and the auto, digital and analog pins for Arduino. Let's move on to the second. This is a power supply 12 voltage. Please choose the one with up to 2 ampere. And you have to connect your power supply to your shield. As mentioned, our board is amazing and is just we need after plug, more connection, and you have to add your a SIM card in slot of say GSM SIM800L. Please noting that your SIM card must have the balance. Now you are ready. Our kit is ready to be done in particular project or system. Let's begin with the first project. The second, we are going to make some connection with jumper wires. We have to take one jumper wire and connect to TXL from GSM module and attach directly to pin number 3 of Arduino. This pin you can change. It depends on the pin you declared in your Arduino code. Connect it to pin number 3 of Arduino, and then connect RX of GSM directly to pin number 2 of Arduino as well as do here. We are going also to connect our relay in order to send the signal either to tell the relay please turn on or turn off our AC lamp. We have our module or the ground was connected before, and then what you have to do here is just to connect 5 voltage or the VCC of the relay to pin 5 voltage on our Arduino, and then connect a relay input pin to pin number 4 of our Arduino. We have all declared these all pins on our Arduino code, as you can find it in the description below. Now everything is ready. We are going to connect our AC lamp to the relay as the output. We can even choose the normal open contact. It depends on our choice. Here we use normal open contact. When you send it on message, it's gonna cross and then our lamp will be on. Here we screw it in order to be tight because this AC voltage is very dangerous, so we need to screw up and make it tight. After doing all things, we have also to power our 12 voltage connected to main source AC, and also have to plug the AC main source to the AC plug in your wall. After doing all things, we are going to the second step. Now the connection or wiring are done. So the second step will be uploading the code in our Arduino. We have to connect our Arduino USB cable to the computer, and you must have Arduino IDE, of course, because I'm going to deal with C++ code, and you download it in below. This is our code, and this is how it looks like. We are gonna look if your GSM has already received the network and is ready to receive the message. Now it's okay. We are going to send the message as the test. You go, you take your phone, type in the number we're going to send, write the on message and send. In your Arduino code with a monitor, in your monitor you're gonna see our GSM received the message, and you have to see the lamp was on. As you can see, look, our lamp is now on. You can type any keyword on or off, depends on what we need. You can even send a message off and then to receive the message off and then turn off our lamp. You can doing this depends on what you do, and you can change the words even off or on, depends on our project, and then it's gonna send you the feedback via the message if either the lamp is on or off. You can find all this code in description below. Now our demo is done. To test the system, you have to power it. Instantly the GSM module receives the SMS during the process it, and then our relay will switch on the lamp or we switch off the lamp, depends on the message you send to our GSM. Why this module is a game changer? Our module is game changer, of course. Why? Compared to using any other ways of powering the SIM800 relay module, our shield is much easier to power. Of course, we need 12 voltage power supply, which is very easy to find it on the market and is faster to connect to the network. And as you see, we really need a few wiring, no more wiring we need, and everything will be built at the top of Arduino. And our board have the breadboard, the way you can add more sensors, more material, depends on what you need, depends on what your project or system need. And also is easier and reliable for beginners and pro people, those ones who want to develop an industrial project can use our board. This make it perfect for either home automation project, IoT devices in rural areas, and also is perfect and perfect for schools, teachers, or university experiment. Those one who has really love to do anything themselves, like hobby project, is better to use it at your home. Safe and easy to use. Just plug and then code and enjoy it. Our board, the GSM SIM800L shade mode, is perfect as you see. It's easier to use. We provide many resources, material, code, anything you might need. Please, if you found this video helpful for what you need, please don't forget to click like or subscribe or hit the bell icon for more tutorials. If you have any question, please drop your questions or recommendation in the comments. We would love to hear your feedback. This is Shadrach from Nyereka saying ciao ciao, see you the next video.